Hi guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending to where you are watching from. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl P. Come with me from the side of Murang'a to Thika. I had gone to Murang'a, nilikuwa nimeenda Murang'a kutembea. It's a very beautiful place by the way. So nilikuwa nimeenda kutembelea just one of my friends. Let me tell you, that place is so beautiful. The place is beautiful. Ni place ya majani, so the weather is a little bit cold. And the place mostly is for yenye inapandagwa majani, coffee, that side. The place is so beautiful. Barabara ni rami. But then the place was so beautiful. Just watch with me. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, share and comment. Unaona, those are people's garden, shamba za watu. All the gardens have something. They have either coffee or tea. That is a shop center somewhere. I don't know the name by the way. I was new. It was my first time going there, so I was not sure about the names of the places, but it's outside of Murang'a. Just know it's Murang'a, that place. So if you see your center here, you see the road are very nice by the way. The errand are very good. They have a lot of coffee. They have a lot of tea there. It's a very nice place by the way. So come with me. We go from Murang'a, side of Murang'a to Thika. Thank you. Make sure you like, share, comment, and most important, make sure you subscribe. Come with me.